Okay, by the way, this is George, for anyone who doesn't know me by voice. Um, I ran across this neat thing that just in case you have in case you need to travel to the Philippines, or you have someone that needs to travel to the Philippines. This is Philippines Airlines, and I will put this link in the comments. So scroll down here, and let's say if I was doing this for myself, um, let's say I'm flying out of Chicago O'Hare. I'm flying into Cebu. In my opinion, the only place to fly. I'm unvaccinated, traveler type, foreign national from visa-free country. Search, and this will tell me what requirements there are for me. Proof of vaccination is not required. Facility-based quarantine is required. None of these are clickable links. So, there is a facility-based quarantine required at first, and then after 5 days, it would be finish the 14 days in a home-based quarantine. Government requirements. There's One Health Pass, and that is a hyperlink. So I guess this is where you would go to set up your One Health Pass. I'm waiting for that to disappear. See, I want that to say not required, and then I think I'm ready to go. Also, I want to cut down on the quarantine requirement. And then, so travel insurance not required, but I would have it. Return ticket is required. An entry exemption document must be secured if you're extending beyond 30 days. An EED, that's something interesting I would like to look into. Visa is not required, so it's visa upon arrival, or non-visa entry, I guess. Then there's some other links down here that look like they could be useful as well. But I wanted to share this with all of y'all, just in case you have could use it, or you know someone who could. Okay? I'll talk to you later. Nice talking to you. Bye.